Good morning, students. This is Shivanand Tiwari, and I am your science teacher. Welcome to the science class. Are you all excited, students? Okay, so let's get started. Students, I'll be asking few questions. Answer them accordingly. Observe this image and tell me what is the path followed by the ants moving on the ground. Yes, students, absolutely correct. They are moving in a straight path. Now, look at this picture and tell me what is the path followed by the train running on the track. Very good. It is following a straight line path. Now look at this image and tell me what kind of path is followed by the birds flying in the sky. Absolutely right. They are also moving in straight path in the same direction. Now let us look at all these images together and tell me what commonality do you observe in all these images with respect to the path followed. Okay, yes. So in all the images, path followed is a straight line path. They are moving in a linear direction. Absolutely correct, students. So now tell me, what is such type of motion called as? Did I hear linear motion? Absolutely correct. Such type of motion is called as linear motion. So students, as you all know about linear motion, today let us learn about some other types of motion in the lesson motion and types of motion. Students, observe the image and tell me along which path do the blades of the fan move? Absolutely correct, students. It is moving in a circular path. Very good. Now look at this picture and tell me which is the path followed by the hands of the clock. Very nice. It is following the circular path. Absolutely correct. Now look at this picture. What is this? A giant wheel. Very good. Tell me along which path do the giant wheel move? It is also moving in circular path. Absolutely correct, students. Now I want you all to look at all these images together and tell me what commonality do you observe in all these examples with respect to the path followed? Okay, yes, absolutely correct. In all these examples, path followed is a circular path. Am I clear? Yes, so as you all said, in these images, path followed is a circular path. So tell me, what is such a type of motion called as? Did I hear circular motion? Excellent, student. This is called circular motion. So now I want one of you to define circular motion in your own word. Very good. When object move in a circular path, it is said to have circular motion. Let us see the textbook definition of circular motion. So the motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Example, the hands of a clock. Okay, students. So as you saw what is circular motion, now I want you all to give your own examples of circular motion from day-to-day life. Okay, very correct. The planets moving around the sun. And I want some more example. Yes, the car of a tire, sorry, the tire of car and the tire of cycle. Yes, some more example. Yeah, blades of fan that we saw in the our own examples. Okay, students. So as you have given many examples, now let us move ahead and observe this image and tell me what kind of path is followed by the butterflies flying in the sky. Are they moving in linear direction? Straight path? No. Okay, so they are moving here and there. What is such type of motion called? Okay, let us see ahead. Let us see this example and tell me what kind of path is followed by the kite flying in the sky. Is it moving in a straight path? Absolutely not. It is also flying here and there. What we call it as here and there? Do we have some specific term? Yes, it is flying randomly. It is following a random path. Now let us move ahead and see the next example. Tell me, students, what is along which path do the fishes are moving? Or we can say what kind of path do the fishes are following in the tank? Yeah, you can see uh, some fish are moving like a zigzag, and you know they do not have any particular path. They are not following a sequence. They are moving here and there. And as in the previous example, we had uh, discussed a specific term. So they are also following a random path. Very good, students. So students, look at all these examples together and tell me what commonality do you observe in all these examples with respect to the path followed? Yes. So in all these examples, the path followed by all these objects or things is a random path. So I want one of you to define. No, tell me what is such type of motion called as? Absolutely correct, random motion. So now I want one of you to define random motion in your own word. So yes, the path followed by the object in random direction is called random motion. Okay, you are partially correct. Let us see the specific definition of random motion from the textbook. The motion that changes its direction and speed continually is called random motion. So students, as we saw all these examples, the direction of the object continually changing, and even speed of the object continually changes. Whenever you change the direction, you either have to change your speed, I mean to say to increase or decrease your speed. With the same speed, you cannot change your direction. So this is what this definition is trying to say. The motion that changes its direction and speed continually is called random motion. So students, now I want one of you to tell me some more example of random motion. Okay, absolutely correct. Players playing in a cricket match, running here and there is an example of random motion. Yes, what about other sports? Yes, players playing in hockey or football, they also follow random path. So those are the examples of random motion. Absolutely correct. I want some more examples. Have you ever seen the path followed by a butterfly when it flies? Does it follow a same path? No. Very good. It is also keep moving in random path. This is the path followed by butterfly in its fly is called random motion. So you must have observed uh, animals moving in the garden. So throughout their journey, do they follow straight path? Yeah, they go here and there. So what is such path called as random? So they follow a random path, and the motion is called random motion. All right, students. So I hope till this much you all are clear. So it's time to revise whatever we have learned till now. So students, we saw the motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion, and the motion that changes its direction and speed continually is called random motion. And we saw a lot of examples of both the motion. For circular motion, one example we saw the tip of minute hand, and the random motion we saw the motion of butterfly, or animals gazing in the garden or field, or the motion of players playing in the field. So students, I hope you all have understood both the type of motion very clearly. So it's time to check how much you have understood. So let me quickly post the link of the quiz, and you all have to quickly join the link. I'll post it in the chat box. So here is the link, students. Have you all received the link? Okay. Okay. Quickly join the link then. And also let me share my quizzes link. So I can see none of you have joined till now. Yes, quickly join the quiz, students. Join quickly. Yes, so I can see all the participants have joined now. So let me start the quiz. All the best, students. Here is the first question. That was so quick, students. So here is the next question. Very good. Well attempt. Absolutely correct. You all are giving correct answers. Very nice, students. I'm very happy that you all have given the correct answers. That means you all have understood the concept very well. Yes. So let me, yeah, quickly share my slide. So students, today we have studied about the types of motion, and we have studied in detail about what is circular motion and what is random motion. In our next class, we shall learn about the remaining types of motion in detail. Till then, take care. Thank you so much, students.